Hey, what's up, everyone? David here. Let me guess. You have a product to sell or content to post, but your images look kind of plain, so you end up doing the same annoying cycle. You try to edit it yourself. It takes forever. You hire a designer, it gets expensive fast, or you use a random app and the results still don't look premium. And the worst part is this. In 2026, if your visuals don't stop the scroll, you don't get the click. No click means no traffic. No traffic means no sales. So, what if you could take a simple product photo and turn it into clean, professional, ad-ready images in minutes, without studio setups, without complicated editing, and without paying monthly fees? That's exactly what this video is about. But before we jump in, quick heads up. If you want the full written review with everything laid out clearly, check the links in the description box. I'll put my complete Creativio AI 2.0 review there, including the OTO details, any early bird discount offer if it's available, and the best option if you want the all-in-one bundle deal. Plus, if you grab it through my link, you'll also get my special bonus package. These bonuses cover different areas of digital marketing, so you can boost your results with Creativio AI 2.0 a lot faster. So go ahead and check the description box first. Then come back and let's dive in. Alright, so what is Creativio AI 2.0? Creativio AI 2.0 is a next-level image editing software built to upgrade your visuals from average to eye-catching. It uses advanced AI to enhance, transform, and polish photos with basically one click. So instead of spending hours tweaking lighting, backgrounds, and details, you let the AI handle the heavy lifting. And this is where it gets really practical. Creativio AI 2.0 is made for people who need strong visuals on demand, e-commerce store owners who need better product photos, marketers who need ad creatives that actually convert, content creators who want clean thumbnails and social posts that look professional. The big promise is speed and simplicity. One-click edits, fast processing, and flexible use cases so you can create different styles and variations without starting from scratch every time. And what I also like about the positioning is this: it's designed to be cost-effective, so instead of another monthly subscription that keeps stacking up, Creativio AI 2.0 is built around a one-time cost model, which is a huge deal if you're producing content regularly. So in this review, I'm going to show you how it works, what you can create with it, and who it makes the most sense for. And I'll also break down the upgrades and bundle options so you don't waste money on things you don't need. Now let's jump into the dashboard and see what Creativio AI 2.0 can actually do.
Let's be real. If you're running an e-com store or selling products online, a plate wine background isn't just boring. It's costing you sales. You need scroll-stopping visuals, you need high-end photography, but you don't have the time or the budget for a professional studio. Enter Creativio AI, the ultimate tool to turn your product shots into revenue-generating machines. Here's exactly how you take your simple product image, logo, and a human element and create magic. Watch this. Either you use the magic mode and you can select any of the options that you see here where you can place the product in different placements, backgrounds, textures, surroundings, and backgrounds. But if you don't want to overthinking, just prompt the AI what you want to see and it's going to create the magic for you. Just go ahead and click Generate Photo Shoot. And boom, in seconds, you have professional grade photography, the lighting perfect, the shadows realistic. And it looks like you've spent thousands on a photo shoot with professional photographers. But let me show you something even better. Let's say you don't want square and you do want like landscape with multiple aspect ratios and high quality images. Let's just regenerate another one. And boom, there you have it. Another image turned into a professional grade product placement photography with zero cost. Now, want a different vibe? Just change the color, the background, swap the model, and the headlines. And this is everything right inside your app. You are in total control. Just type in what you want, like, place the girl in the center, move the banner to the right, and turn this into a botanical background. One click, simple instruction, turns your image into the one that you're actually looking for. And boom. There you got it. But we're not done yet. Static images are great, but videos are king. So I'm going to show you how you can turn this image into a professional grade animation video with one click. Your photo is just transforming into an attention grabbing video. Let's just move here to the animation studio and upload one of our images over here. Now give it a short description and just change the aspect ratio from landscape portrait, the resolution, and click generate video. With just one simple description, your photo is going to transform from attention grabbing image into attention grabbing ad. Let's just watch the video for a second.
This is the new Botanical Restore Cream from Verdant Alchemy. See how this rich texture just absorbs beautifully, leaving a radiant glow.
Verdant Alchemy, where botanical science meets restorative luxury.
Now that is the power of Creativio AI. We turn boring products into brand assets, and we turn impressions into clicks and sales. Now it's your turn to stop the scroll, ditch the white background, and start selling more of your products. Try Creativio AI today and click on the button below this video and get started for a special discount.
If you're looking for clean beauty that's natural and gentle, you have to try this coconut and charcoal line. It's my new favorite.
Experience the true taste of Italy. Sapori d'Italia presents authentic shrimp scampi, a tradition you can taste.
If you grab the main product through my link, you're also getting my exclusive bonus packages. Let me show you some of them in this video. Package 1. Create Brand and Profit Vault, a bonus package built to help you create content faster, brand your stuff professionally, and monetize smarter. Inside the vault, you'll get content plus video creation tools like Article Buddy Pro and Auto Video Creator, so you can produce articles and videos without getting stuck. For lead generation and selling, you're also getting Customer List Builder, plus training-style bonuses like Selling to the World and e-commerce fire sale to help you turn views and clicks into real sales. Then for branding and design, you'll have Logo Studio, 123 logo kit, and 300 logo templates, so you can put together a clean logo and consistent look in minutes. And to make your visuals instantly look more premium, you'll also receive a full set of creative assets, including HD video motion backgrounds, abstract image collection, graphics empire, whiteboard SVG graphics bundle, and miscellaneous stock photos, perfect for thumbnails, landing pages, and video scenes. Finally, if you plan to sell digital products, you'll love the Kindle e-cover pack plus graphics ever, 50 e-covers and headers, to make your offers look like paid products. And you've got a few extra creative tools too, like Vector Cartoon Package, Turbo GIF Animator, Facebook Timeline Cover, and Teespring Instant Cash for extra monetization angles. Package 2. The 2026 AI Moneymaker Bootcamp Vault. This bonus package is about one thing, helping you start earning online with AI. Inside, you're getting a stack of trainings like Create and Monetize Your Own AI Influencer and the Zero Product AI Income System. So even if you don't have your own product, you can still start generating income by promoting winning offers with AI doing the heavy lifting. You'll also get the YouTube Autopilot AI system, long-form content, to build a content engine that can grow views and monetization consistently, plus the PDF income machine and copy-to-cash digital product system if you want to create quick digital products and start selling. And for the higher income route, Build and Sell AI Automations shows you how to package simple AI systems for businesses and get paid for it, often on a monthly basis. You get multiple proven paths: influencer, affiliate, YouTube, PDFs, digital products, and automations, so you can choose the one that fits you and start moving fast. This video only showed part of what's included. There are even more bonuses waiting for you. Click the link in the description below to see the full breakdown.
Now, I want to take a few minutes to talk about something very special. When you grab this product through my link, you're also getting my exclusive bonus package. These bonuses are carefully handpicked to help you in the areas that matter most: video creation, content generation, traffic growth, and SEO. I hope they can save you time, cut costs, and make your online journey smooth and successful. Let me walk you through some of the highlights, and I'll also show you short demos so you can see how powerful these tools really are. First up, AI Supreme, an all-in-one marketing powerhouse. With just a single login, you unlock more than 25 premium marketing apps, all under one roof. No installations, no complicated setup. For example, let's say you need a website. Inside AI Supreme, you'll find a Wix-style website builder that lets you design a professional site in minutes. Just pick a template, drag and drop, and your site is live. Or maybe you want to capture leads and sell offers. The funnel builder comes loaded with ready-made lead funnels, promo funnels, and even viral funnels you can customize instantly. Need content? The built-in AI writer does the heavy lifting. Just select your target language, choose the tone, give it a short description, and boom, you get ready-to-use content that sounds professional and natural. And my personal favorite, AI agents. Imagine having a team of professionals. Writers, designers, coders, marketers, available 24/7. Ready to complete any task you throw at them. That's exactly what AI Agents does. You can even create chatbots to engage with your audience automatically. Next is Goofy Shorts AI, perfect for short-form video creation. As you know, platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts are exploding right now, and this tool makes it super easy to tap into that traffic. All you do is choose your format, whether it's TikTok, Instagram Reel, whiteboard explicable, or image-based video. Then Goofy Shorts AI creates your video in just a few clicks. Plus, you can generate AI-powered voiceovers directly inside the app, so you don't even need to record yourself. Once your video is ready, you can instantly share it across multiple platforms to maximize reach and engagement. Moving on, you'll also get Tubitraffic AI, which builds out a complete YouTube business for you. Here's how it works. Simply enter some keywords, and the software pulls up tons of relevant videos that are already proven to get views. From there, you can select the ones you want, and the tool automatically fills in video titles, descriptions, and tags optimized for traffic. You can customize the content however you like. And the best part? You can insert your own affiliate offers directly inside the videos. That means you're not just getting views, you're turning those views into commissions. Another incredible bonus is Super VA. Think of this as your ultimate virtual assistant powered by AI. Instead of spending hours writing content, designing graphics, or even coding, you can simply type in a prompt or use one of the pre-written ones, and Super VA will complete the task for you. It covers hundreds of marketing tasks with zero restrictions and zero setup. It's like hiring a full-time assistant team, but without the massive cost. You'll also get News Broadcasting Sites Builder. This one is perfect if you want to create passive income streams. With just a few clicks, you can launch fully automated news sites in virtually any niche: sports, travel, gaming, affiliate marketing, you name it. The software designs a professional website, generates fresh content with relevant images, and even updates itself automatically every day. So while you're busy doing your things, your news site is quietly attracting visitors and generating income in the background. And here's a huge one. You'll also get a library of over 500 premium done-for-you courses with master resell rights. You can totally use them to learn, turn them into your own products, or even resell them to kickstart your online biz. Topics cover marketing, business growth, traffic, social media, and much more. giving you a ready-made catalog of digital assets to profit from. Imagine adding these courses to your own funnel or selling them directly for instant cash flow. It's like starting your business with products already done for you. And these are just the main bonuses I wanted to highlight. On top of these, you'll also unlock many more special tools that I haven't even had time to show here. To check out the full list and claim your bonuses, just click the bonus link in the description below.
So that wraps up my review. Now, before you decide, I highly recommend you check out my full written review linked in the description below. On that page, you will find a complete Creativio AI 2.0 walkthrough and demo, a full pricing and OTO breakdown, including the all-in-one bundle option, plus an honest explanation of who this tool is really best for, and my exclusive bonus package designed to boost multiple areas of digital marketing like traffic generation, automation, content creation, and monetization. And quick note, those bonuses are meant to help you get more value from Creativio AI 2.0 and improve your overall online marketing results, not just your visuals. So if you are serious about building your online business, driving traffic, generating leads, or creating new income streams, click the link in the description. Go through the full review, watch the demos, and see if Creativio AI 2.0 is the right fit for you. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, hit the like button, subscribe for more honest reviews, and I will see you in the next video.